This is dentistry in South Africa. It is perfect.
Does it hurt?
You want to try it?
I want to find my own dentist.
Mouth to him.
Your mouth towards the bird.
I don't know if I can do it.
Hello, sweetheart. Get a kiss.
Here, I'm gonna put my sunglasses on so they don't protect my eyes.
No more.
I love you, Mom.
Love you too, child.
Alright, my brother is like Jesus right now, feeding the animals. Look at that.
They won't.
You gotta have some food in your hand if you want them to land on there. You gotta bribe them. It's nuts.
Come, Birdie.
Yeah, they're gonna poop right on you. They didn't land on you.
I'm scared.
Look at this.
Yeah, they got rabies, right?
Dis 'n pragtige foto. Maar jy moet sit. Hou dit in die handjie vas. Sit nou by die duif.
You got squirrels joining the game right now. Look at this. My Monique grijpt niet. There you go, squirrel. Go. Just don't touch him. Baby, put your hand down. Baby, he's not gonna bite you.
Yes, he is.
No, he's not. Your rabies shots are cheap. Go ahead.
I'm scared.
They do, they should.
Oh, jeez. Kijk je,